Hello guys, welcome back to another Lumley trading video. In this one, we're going to be going through BBIG. Now, it is up quite big today, being or at the close up 55%. Now, this move kind of happened out of nowhere. It's not like it was an overnight gap. It happened while we were trading. Now, there was a few things I've heard because people did jump in the live stream again. We are live every day, but they did come in and they said, firstly, 3 board members resigned yesterday, and then today 3 directors purchased shares and 2024 options. Now, from my own research, the only one I could verify, and that was from the website Investor Place, was about the 3 board members stepping down. So I did find that. And then I also saw from Yahoo Finance also reported that the holding company has appointed a new board of directors who will oversee the company's operations. However, I couldn't confirm this rumor about the new directors purchasing options, so just take that into account. Now though, what are the key things? So our price on BBIG, if you're still using Thinkorswim, for some reason is still delayed. So what I mean by this is, if we zoom out, you can see it hasn't accounted for this. This wasn't an actual move, this was a reverse split. However, if we go over to Tastytrade, you can see this has adjusted for that split. So really the key thing I'd be looking at in this stock is, and you can see as well, the volume is absolutely crazy today. Look at that volume candle compared to this whole year, really. Absolutely crazy, even going in consideration to those moves. Now, the only thing I'd be looking at this stock is short buys, and the reason for that is just look how this has been trading, especially when companies have to do reverse stock splits. Never something you want to be holding long from anything longer really than a day or potentially a swing trade, because from an investment side, you're 9 times out of 10 just going to lose a lot of money, if not your whole account. So really be careful on stocks like this, holding long buys. So whenever I see people talking about this stock, their average is always crazy high. I know, I think last time we did a video on this, a lot of people had averages around $20, which makes sense because that's this kind of big consolidation period here. So if you're holding that and you're down 90% now, it doesn't mean we keep adding in more, because what's likely to happen is we just continue this downward momentum. Yes, we've had some news and it pops today, but really in the grand scheme of things, this is nothing. We're only not even back at June levels yet. So again, I just want to be more skeptical on a stock like this. I wouldn't be long buys on it. And the problem with this that I found is, firstly, it's hard to borrow, and there is literally no shares available. I think I even have a picture on this. And yeah, here it is. So there is literally no shares available to short. So that's another problem with this stock. So that's one thing. And then the only way I could be looking at trading this is through the options. If they're somewhat liquid, which they seem to have a tiny bit of volume, this would be the only way I'd really be looking to play this. And again, looking to play the downside on the pops. If we want to jump in now, could be a bit premature, but if we're pushing, $2, $3 or higher, again, we could be potentially just looking at the day trade or swing trade puts, but that's really the only way I'd be looking at this. Short bias, probably not going to sustain this upside move. You'll probably see it push back down to $1 relatively quickly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, why don't you check out this video, because you'll probably enjoy that one too.